This should fit all the way down there into the spark plug. So this goes in the ignition coil. Okay, I'm gonna start the engine and we'll see if this flashes.
It was hard to get the camera to pick up the flash correctly, but it was flashing as expected.
Now we know for sure that this cylinder has good compression, it has spark, air is extremely unlikely to be the issue, so next we're going to look at fuel. And fuel could either be a bad fuel injector, or it could be bad wiring or circuitry that activates the injector, potentially all the way up to and including the ECU. So our task at hand is to sort of narrow that down.
I've disconnected the main electrical connector going into the engine ECU, and I've got to plug it into pin 25 on this connector. And you can see there, it does list the numbers of the pins.
If this beeps, it means the wire is good. Yep, so that wire is good. And now over here, I'll switch this to pin 1. Pin 1 goes to pin 52. And that wire is good as well. So I guess really what I need to do is just repair the jacket on those wires because the wires inside are fine. I haven't used one of these since I was in college, so I'm a little bit rusty with it, but that waveform is not what this is supposed to look like, and so I think it suggests there's something wrong with the ECU.
Let me show you what I think this should look like. One of the lines should be a fairly constant 12 volts straight across. The other line, which I'll draw underneath, should be at 12 volts, but then drop to near zero once the injector activates. When the injector is turned off, there should be a voltage spike, which returns to 12 volts after a short time. Clearly, this is not what we're seeing.
All right, here it is. Yeah, I did not intend for the injectors to come out with it, but that's just what happened. I bought 4 of these injector seal kits, just so I can replace all the seals on these injectors so we don't have any leaks. Oh, wow, that is really difficult to get out. There we go.
Well, I got it all put back together. I'm getting pretty good at this, so let's start it up and see if that new injector fixes the issue. There it is. Is it misfiring, though? I mean, the check engine light's not flashing. It's hard to tell from how it feels. Oh, ignore that squeak. That's just from a little bit of coolant. That actually does not look good. Oh, goodness. This is not good. What happened?